Hello friends, first of all, welcome back to my channel, Classy Fashion Ideas by Ashna. So I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Now friends, let's move to the details of this video. As far as we are concerned with this video, then I am once again here with you along with a very stylish and very beautiful trendy face mask design ideas. And my entire video collection is based on one specific color, that is very beautiful black color mask embroidered designs. Because black is a color that reflects every color and it absorbs the beauty and the creativity of every color in itself and gives a very unique and intricate view. So friends, as you know that in my previous videos I have been emphasizing the importance to our health and our concern towards our stylish and classy looks. So this video is a very beautiful and classic reminder that how you can take care of your health and you could remain stylish and classy at the same time, because all of these mask designs are very pretty and they are at the same time very easy to make. These masks are very soft, lightweight, reliable, washable, reusable, anti-dust, allergy, anti-pollution, skin protective, some breathing problems protective, and very important thing, that is a COVID-19 protective measure, and you should make a habit of wearing masks while leaving out for your any sort of basic necessity or work. I suggest you to try these design patterns because these designs are very beautiful and pretty at the same time. And I have one simple request to you, that if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then kindly do subscribe my channel. And while subscribing, do press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. So stay blessed, stay tuned, and keep watching my content. Keep supporting us, keep loving us like this as you always have been. And if you want me to teach you to how you can make these patterns, then comment below this video. By the way, I have given very beautiful step-by-step detailed tutorials on how you can make embroidery stitches, and for beginners I have given a variety of ways that how you can design your own embroidery patterns. So if you like the video, don't forget to like. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and while subscribing, press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. On my channel you can get classy, crazy and beautiful ideas related to women fashion. So stay blessed, stay tuned, and be a cause of positive motivation. Support others, help your friends and family to achieve positive goals and their required goals in the life. Thank you so much once again, and keep sharing my videos. Do share my video with your friends and family. We will soon be back with you along with some new design ideas. Take care.